In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate receiver list in Klaviyo. Duplicating or cloning a list is a simple way to reuse an existing receiver list when you want to run a similar campaign, test a new strategy, or create a clean copy before making changes. The key benefit is that you can keep the original list intact while working with a duplicate. To begin, sign into your Klaviyo account and look at the main navigation. Find Audience, then click on Lists and Segments. This area is where Klaviyo stores the groups of contacts you send emails or messages to, including both lists and segments. For this process, you will be working with a list. Next, locate the list you want to duplicate. Take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct one, especially if you have multiple lists with similar names. Selecting the right list at this point helps you avoid cloning the wrong audience and having to repeat the process. Once you are inside the list, go to the top right corner of the page and click Manage List. This menu contains administrative actions for that specific list, including options related to list settings and contact management. From the Manage List options, click Clone List or Upload Contacts. Choosing the Clone option tells Klaviyo to create a duplicate based on the list you selected. As you go through this, pay attention to any prompts that appear, since Klaviyo may ask you to confirm details before it creates the new list. After that, click Next to continue. Then proceed to Import. This final part completes the cloning and ensures the contacts are brought into the duplicated list correctly. Allow a moment for Klaviyo to process the action, especially if the list is large. Once the import finishes, you should be able to find and use the duplicated list like any other list in your account. That covers everything you need to know.